My dear students, today we are going to start our fourth lesson of EVS. What is the name of the lesson? Our first school. I want to ask you this question to you. Which is your first school? Now, when I ask this question, many students will start thinking, which was my school when I was in LKG? Or which was my school when I was in playgroup? Some of you may want to ask this question to your parents. Maybe if you do not remember the name of your first school. But here I want to tell you one thing, that this lesson is not about your learning school. This is about your family. So the lesson, our first school, is about knowing our family. Now why is this so? Because before we are enrolled in any school, we learn so many things from our family. That is our immediate family. Mother, father and grandparents. So let us begin with this lesson, wherein we will understand what is a family and what is the things, how we call different relations, and we are also going to see the family tree in this lesson. So as I told you just now, our family is our first school. Our family is our first school. So our immediate family includes yourself, your parents and your siblings and grandparents. We learn so many things from our family. So our first journey of learning starts from our family members. The very first thing which we learn from our parents or our family is language. The language which people in your family speak around you when you are a very small baby. From that time your brain starts processing that information and the journey of your learning begins. So we learn so many things from our family. In a family we are related to each other. Now we have relations in the family, as in you are daughter or son of your parents. Your parents are your mother and father. You have brother, sister, then grandparents, your mother and your father are husband and wife of each other. So these are called as relations. In a family we are related to each other, like we are son, daughter of our parents, grandchild of our grandparents, our mother is wife of our father and father is husband to our mother. Son and daughter are brother or sister to each other. Yes? We call our family members by different names. Yes, there are so many names in the family, as in some people may call their mother as Ai, some may call Ma, Amma, Mummy, Mom. Yes, so we can have different names to different relations. Someone can say Atya to the auntie. Others may call, what do we call in Hindi to Atya? Buwa. So we have different names to the family members and we call them by those names, like Ma, Ai, Amma, Mummy, Mom to mother, or Papa, Baba, Abba, Daddy or Dad to the father. We may resemble to someone in our family. So now it's like, you must have heard, my dear students, people must be saying, तू तर आईसारखी दिसतेस, तू तर बाबांसारखा दिसतोस. So it depends statements like we resemble. Resemble means we look like. Resemble means to look like. Sometimes we resemble our mother. Some people they resemble their father. Some may resemble to their uncle, auntie, grandparents. So eventually we are a combination of various genes of our parents, and because of that we resemble somebody in our family. We learn so many things from our family members. It can also be the traditional business. Now as a child we learn basic things from our family, as in we learn how to talk, we learn walking, then we learn singing, or we learn how to eat. We get basic manners from our family, like how to eat, taking a bath, getting up ready. So these are the basic things, but we also learn few things like the family business. If a person is a potter, so the child of a potter may learn pottery quickly because his parents are doing that business and he is oftenly looking the things around going. So because of that, the child may learn that typical business if there is anything in the family quickly. So we also learn things like traditional business from our family. Every family has its own set of customs and traditions. We are going to see this further in the PPT. So what is customs and traditions? घरातल्या रीती. Family traditions influence distribution of roles gender wise. आपल्या घरातल्या ज्या रीती असतात, depending on that distribution of roles, म्हणजे घरातल्या कामांचा वाटप, आपल्या घरातल्या रीती जशा असतील त्याप्रमाणे घरातल्या कामांचा वाटप होत असतो. जेंडर वाईज म्हणजे बायकांनी काय कामं करायचे अँड what other things should be done by the male part. Okay. This video I will send it to you separately, because if we will see it now, then this video will become lengthy. Now here, a simple activity. You can also do it in your textbook. I think it is also asked in your workbook. So you have to make this thing. Preparation of family tree in student scrap books. So this activity you will do in your drawing book, scrapbook, as well as in your workbook. So what you have to do is draw a big tree on the paper and then start from your grandparents. You can paste photo. See here, we can see the faces. So you can take photos, or if you don't have photos, you can simply write the names of your grandparents. So these are the grandparents. Now, grandparents might be having one daughter and one son. So you have to consider your father's family over here. So these are your paternal grandparents, म्हणजे वडिलांचे आई वडील, आजी आजोबा, बाबांकडचे. That you have to take here. Then write their family, kaka kaku, ai baba. Okay, so here you can write uncle, auntie. Here you can write parents or father, mother. Okay, and then your cousin's name, your own name. So this is just an example. You will write your own family tree. You will draw your own family tree. Okay? Now let us discuss about household traditions. Now see here, this is a beautiful house and in front of the house there is a rangoli. So आपण रांगोळी काढतो ना घरासमोर, that is a type of household tradition. So drawing rangoli is one of the household traditions. Then see here, we can see people are sitting together in according to Indian tradition. खाली मांडी घालून बसले आहेत and then they are having dinner or lunch. You can see here banana leaves, केळीच्या पानावर मस्तपैकी जेवण दिलं आहे and people are having it. So this is a tradition of our country. I would say in many parts of country people have their lunch or dinner, I mean their meal in such way. केळाच्या पानावर वरण भात तूप, then चटणी नारळाची. South Indian people, they have such kind of tradition of eating their meal on banana leaf. Now some other customs and traditions may be, in some families parents they wake up early and they also tell their other family members like grandparents and children to do this, waking up early and doing exercises, pranayam, yoga, any sort of exercises. People may go for a walk in the morning, then praying God before every meal. How many of you do that? आपल्या प्रत्येक जेवणाच्या आधी देवाला नमस्कार करायचा, वदनी कवल घेता. Who all does that? So it can be a tradition of some or many families. Saying, chanting verses or mantras in evening. संध्याकाळी शुभम करोती कोण कोण म्हणताय? ती सुद्धा आपल्या घरातली काय आहे? रीत आहे. That is the custom or tradition of our family to chant mantras or verses in the evening in front of the Almighty, in front of the God. So there can be many more customs and tradition and you will have to write it down later on. Showing respect to the elders. Now see here in this picture, you can see a little boy is helping out a old lady who is having a problem in walking. So she is using a walker and this boy is helping her to carry that walker or walk with her. Now second picture you can see here. In this picture there is an old lady. She is also having a stick in her hands. She is entering the house or room and a little child, she is opening the door for her. So these are the actions, these are the gestures which show us that these little children, they are showing respect to their elders. So we will also have to make a list of how you like to show respect to your elders. That we will be doing in your textbook. See here one more example. This girl, what she is doing? Namaskaram to the old person. Yes, this is also our tradition. We show respect by touching the feet of the elders. This is also an example of showing respect to your elders. This I will show it to you. This video I will be sending it to you separately. So in this manner, this is a very simple and sweet short lesson wherein we are going to see what is the family. We have seen that in family members, in a family we call our family members by different names. There are different traditions and customs in the family. Then in the family there are people from whom we get to know so many things. So our family is our first school that we have learned today. Thank you.